It's starting! Rubble, dig a trench so the lava will flow away from here into that canyon.
One trench coming up.
We're almost there. We just have to get across that rock ridge.
Oh no! How are we gonna get across?
Rocky, Zuma, take the fallen trees and pile them up across the gap so the dinosaurs can cross safely. Great work, pups. Now let's move these dinos across.
Rubble, we have to get out of here. The trench is ready. Let's go. Did it work? See for yourself. Yes, we did it. It's nice and quiet again. He's saying thanks.
Roar! You're welcome.
Ryder, pups, the baby elephant is still trapped.
Rubble, bring your rig to the maze.
Rubble on the double. Did someone call for a pickup? Chase is on the... Achoo! Excuse me. Achoo! Hey, Ryder, I feel fine. Rubble on the double.
Great! With Chase not feeling well, you can help round up the pigs.
Rubble! Suey! Pig, 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 pig! Here comes Emma. I'll get her.
Come back, Cornelius! Loose pigs, loose corn. What a day!
Don't worry, Rubble knows what to do.
All aboard! Let me bulldoze up the rest of the corn before the pigs try to escape again.
Thanks, Rubble. And thank you, Ryder. And you, Alex.
No problem, Farmer Al. Whenever you're in trouble,
Just yell for help.
Yes, and hurry. If anything happens to my kitties, I don't know what I'll do.
One boulder on the move.
Oh, thank goodness.
hey DJ Rubble, ready for your big show?
Let's get this party started!
Hear that? DJ Rubble is in the house.
Time for some super scratch!
Oh no! We're being invaded!
Whoa! That's a big bat! Uh-oh!
Light! Thanks. I'll plug it back in.
Ah! Ah!
Now that's interesting. Rubble, scratch again. Now stop. That's it. When the bats heard your scratching, they must have thought it was other bats and flew over looking for the bat party.
Let's see. You like my music, huh?
Can you talk them into going home?
Let's take this party on the road. Rubble, can your crane carry a speaker?
I bet it can. Get it? What's up, bats? It's time to move with your wings in the air and follow the groove. Okay, bat buddies, you've been great, but the party's over. You're welcome.
And whenever you have a problem, just for help.
There goes Everest's ride, but where's Everest?
We're right here.
And really tired. Hey.
Hop on my ATV, Jake.
Jump in, Everest.
Thanks.
Come on, everybody! After that snowcat! Rubble, head off the snowcat and use your leaf bags as bumpers.
Got it, Ryder. Thanks for the lift, Rubble. No problem. Not so fast, Snowcat.
Great job, Rubble! Engineer Ed just told me that the train with all the carnival equipment is stuck in the tunnel.
Aw, all the kids will be so disappointed.
That's why we have to make sure the train reaches the fairgrounds. So for this mission, I'll need Rubble
Rubble on the double.
and Rocky.
Green means go.
All right, Paw Patrol is on a roll. Rubble, can you make that tunnel wider?
Arf, drill. How's this look, Ryder?
Great, Rubble, and the cargo car's almost straightened out.
I just have one more thing to load. Come here, you have to see this.
What about my bag full of friendship cards? Come in.
The cards are still in the mailbag, but it's on the other side of the fence.
Hang tight, Marshall.
I'll have those friendship cards scooped up as fast as a flea flick.
Almost there. He's got the card.
Oh, hello. I'm Miss Marjorie. First, I get a whole bag of friendship cards, and now I have visitors.
You're not scary at all. What about the creepy critter that lives here?
Creepy critter. Maynard, stop it! Maynard wouldn't hurt a fly.
About those cards.
Oh, I know. They're not all for me. But it was nice to pretend I was so popular. Maynard! Bring those back!
We gotta stop him.
Maynard!
Thanks for helping us get the friendship cards back, Miss Marjorie.
You go off and deliver them now.
Hi, Ryder.
What's wrong, Marshall?
Wouldn't the best way to celebrate Friendship Day be to make a new friend?
Marshall, you are absolutely right.
Pulley is good to go, Ryder.
Give it a lift, Rubble. Let's secure the post.
Screwdriver.
Perfect!
Okay, pups.
Roar, winch. Oh, crane.
I think the turbines are on the other side of this wall. But how do we get through it? This part of the wall looks like a door.
I can use my shovel to pry it open.
Oh, is that really you, Ryder?
Yeah, hold on. We're almost there.
Yes, we are saved!
That should do it.
All right, everybody push.
Yes, we're in.
We are saved! So happy to see you!
That's the scary sound? Big Harry?
More like big noisy.
He fell in through the roof. Then he was smashing things all over.
Let's get you out before he wakes up. We don't want to startle him.
Thanks, Paw Patrol, for a picture-perfect rescue. If only I'd moved that rock away from the storm drain.
So that's what's keeping the water here. The drain is blocked? We'll just move it now. Rubble, take your rig down there and move that rock to drain this water.
Time to pull the plug on the pasture. That is one big rock, but I can move it.
Got it, Ryder.
You better get out of there fast, Rubble. Draining water can have a powerful pull.
Gotcha. Reverse.
Thanks for everything, Sea Patrol. You saved my farm.
Let it down easy, Rubble.
Jake Cake has landed.
Hitch is secure. Next stop, Jake's Mountain.
Come on, engine. You can do it. You can... Yikes!
Chase, Cake on the loose. Net!
Hooray! Let's do this! Yeah! Woohoo!
Well, it's already sundown. My birthday's almost over.
Surprise!
Wow! So you did remember my birthday!
Of course we did, Jake. And check out your cake.
Awesome cake! Dibs on my nose.
Hello? Let's get to the bottom of this.
Doesn't smell like a ghost.
What does a ghost smell like?
Achoo! Ah!
Rubble? He's still right there. But he's not alone. Keep howling, Rubble. We're coming.
Oh no!
It sounds like Rubble is behind this wall. Aha! Wow, a secret room. Cool. Huh? What is that?
Mice! Look, the mice are making the paintings move. And this doorway spin around.
So, there's really no ghost?
Nope, my drone just sees mice.
Hey, they're tickling my paws.
Rough, covering the last mouse hole, Ryder.
But Ryder, won't the mice be sad? This cabin is their home. I think we can make them a fair trade.
They really like the peanut dispenser.
Aww.
Thanks, Ryder.
Next time you need us, just boo for help. Mayor Humdinger took some water walking shoes, and now he's headed for Turtle Island. But it's surrounded by dangerous rocks, and he could get hurt. So for this mission, I'll need Rubble. I need you to use your rig to move the rocks so we can reach the island.
Rubble on the double.
All right, Sea Patrol is on a roll.
Come back, you pinchy flag swiper! Ah! A pit on my island? Ha! I didn't approve this.
I can put all the rocks back when we leave, Ryder.
Good thinking, Rubble. We don't want to change the turtle habitat. Now, where's Mayor Humdinger? That way! Come on, pups! It looks like a pit where a turtle lays its eggs. Uh-oh, the mother turtle isn't gonna like Mayor Humdinger in her nest. Rubble, use your crane.
Roger that.
Hang tight, Mayor. We'll get you out. Hurry, Mayor.
Oh no, that moving mountain doesn't like mayors. Get me out of here! Thanks for pulling me out of there, Paw Patrol. Being around that big turtle is, well, the pits.
No problem, Mayor. Whenever you're in too deep, just yell for help. Rubble, I need you and your electromagnet to stop a runaway mare.
No problem.
Help me!
Ryder, Mayor Humdinger's headed straight for a cliff.
Help! I'm falling! Help!
Open your eyes, Mayor. I gotcha.
Huh? Oh, get me out of these things! Uh-oh. Ah! Oh.
Are you okay, Mayor Humdinger?
Phew. Yes. Thanks for saving me from those horrible auto pants.
Whenever your pants are out of control, just yell for help.
If only there was a way to pop that van back on the road.
This van just needs a little fizzy pickle power. Rocky, are there any unopened jars left?
Yup, there is one left.
shake it, then put it under the van.
Jar's in place. I'm coming back up. Knock, knock. Who's there? Pickle.
Pickle who?
Pick all your stuff up and run. It's gonna blow.
Everyone, step back.
Rubble, I need you to use your mini miner to break down the door and rescue her.
Inside the castle with that scary ghost?
But we really need you.
Rubble on the double. Here comes Rubble.
Paw Patrol!
You saved me.
Rubble, are you okay?
Look, Ryder, I beat those ghosts.
You sure did, Rubble, and I'm proud of you.
How am I gonna get up there? I'll give you a lift, buddy. Whoa! Screwdriver.
Oh! Okay, everybody. Ready to lift that wall?
Yes! Help? I kinda got caught when the wall went up.
Silly pup. Jump.
Whee! Thanks, Ryder. That's a big treat for a skunk.
Rubble, see if you can lure the skunk to hop aboard.
Sure. Looks like the skunk is limping. I wonder why. I think she's injured.
Pups, we need to help this poor skunk before we can take her home.
Hi, I'm Marshall. Nice to meet you. That is one big thorn. Tweezers! Got it! Phew, hold on. Another one? Oh, don't worry, Marshall. I've got it.
Nice one, Everest. That skunk has had a rough day. Time to take her home.
No, Skunky, get back on the wagon. Aw, sweet.
Hooray! Thank you so much, Paw Patrol.
Help is on the way. Rubble, we need you and your hoverboard to help rescue Travis.
Rubble on the double. Don't worry, penguins. I'll help you out. Follow me. Travis, are you okay? Grab onto my board and hang on.
Got it!
Great work, pups.
Good as new.
Thanks, Rocky.
Sorry, Travis, but I had to use your map to patch the hole.
No worries. I'll just rely on my keen explorer instincts to find my way. Wherever I go, that's where I am. Thanks for everything, Paw Patrol.
Oh, Paw Patrol! Thank goodness! Please get me out of here!
Don't worry, Mayor. Rubble knows what to do.
Arf! Jackhammer!
Thanks, Rubble! But what about Bear Good Whiskers?
Chase and I will find her.
Did you see which way she went rolling?
She went that way!
I'll teleport those pups to the North Pole.
Rubble, time for this big bot to go down.
Time to wreck and roll! Radar scanner! It's Chase! He's right on the other side of that wall!
Rubble, we found Chase. We need your mini miner.
Chase! You're safe!
Oh, Chase! Way to roll, Paw Patrol!
And for our surprise main event, Rubble and Everest are tearing up Daring Danny X rules. Daring Danny rides again! Whoa! I'm all right.
There he is! And there's the door! Let's get charged up! Let's rock and roll!